Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can craft and send emails on Tuta Mail. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Tuta Mail. If you haven't done that yet, log into your account. And after that, here in your inbox, click on New Mail in the top left corner. Now guys, if you're completely new to Tuta Mail and if you just signed up here on Tuta Mail with a completely new account, your account will be under manual review to be approved. And that reviewing process may take up to 24 hours. So within that period, you won't be able to send the given email actually to your recipient, but you can still craft it, fill it with content and save it as a draft and send it to your contacts once your account has been approved. So simply click on OK here, and after that, craft your email by entering the recipient's email address here. You may also click into that arrow down icon to access the CC and BCC. After that, select your sender address. Click into subject here to enter subject. You may also attach files to your email by clicking on the paperclip icon here, or customize or format your email, for instance, by clicking on the button here. Click into the text box and enter your email content or text. You may use bold letters, italic letters, add a hyperlink, use bulleted list, attach files, insert images, use alignments, and so on and so forth. And once it's done, simply click on send in the top right corner, guys. But again, remember that you won't be able to send the given email actually, or the message to the recipient before your account hasn't been, or before your account has been approved by the team of reviewers here of Tuta Mail. So wait for that period to finish and to approve your account, and once it's done, you will be able to send the given email address, by clicking on send here. You may also, guys, save the given email address as a draft, and after that, head over to the draft folder here on the left panel and simply send the email to the recipient. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.